So here we're given a function. Just to refresh your memory about functions, when you're given a function, you are often asked to input a number into the function and to tell what the output is. So this is just saying f of x, or the function is this. And then notice in the question, it's saying instead of an x, they're putting a -2. Instead of f of x, they put f of -2. They want you to put -2 into the function and tell us what the output is. So we're just substituting -2 into this function. So you just rewrite it like this. Now again, this does not require any math here. This is just the function notation. This is saying f of -2. This is saying when you put -2 into the function, the answer is this. We want to know, what does this equal? We need to simplify that. So a lot of people are tempted with exponents to multiply, to say 5 to the -2nd power is -10, -10 plus 3 is -7, and move on to the next problem. That is not the case. I'm going to show you how to simplify this on a calculator, but first let me refresh your memory on what this is actually saying. When you have a negative exponent, you can take that negative sign off and then move the whole thing down to the denominator. Do you remember that? That's the same as 5 to the -2nd power. And then 5 to the 2nd power is 5 times 5, so it's 25. And 1 over 25 is 0.04. So the answer is 3.04. But let me show you how to enter this right here into your calculator, into the Desmos calculator that you'll have access to on the state test, and get that same answer. So this is what it's going to look like when you click on calculator, and if you scroll down in the bottom left, you'll see this option to show a keypad. So click that. Now we had 5 to the -2nd power, so I'm going to do 5, and then to do -2 power, I'm going to click this button right here. This is my exponent button. This is the one you use when you have 2 as the exponent, but we have -2, so we're going to click this button right here. And then notice our cursor goes up a little bit, and then we can do just the minus sign is fine, 2. Now I'm going to click right next to that so that the website knows that I'm done with that exponent. Now I want to write something next to that 5 to the -2nd power. So I'm going to do a plus 3. And see, we get that same answer, 3.04.